Good day to get started on doing some demolition. We got a lot of stuff tore out today. Plain brick walls. There's a whole lot of stuff that's been tore out. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's a nice cool morning, and it's a good day to get started on doing some demolition. We're going to get on the brick home house today, headed over to pick up some help, get it down and see what we have to work with. But hopefully everything works out good, and we won't have to do too terribly much, but you know, we'll just go with what we got.
Violence is the answer!
We got a lot of stuff tore out today. And imagine my surprise, this actually had cathedral underneath here already. We had planned on putting a door through here into our new master suite. And imagine that, the door is already there, so that's a little bit of work saved for us. This is going to be the new master suite through here. And that's going to be the laundry room. I initially had planned on this being the kitchen, but I think I've rethought what I'm going to do, and I think I'm going to move the kitchen down to the middle of the house here. And that will make my living room a little bit bigger and more usable. But we've got most of the drywall tore out. And you see these walls, these are just plain brick walls. They're just brick, there's no framing. There's nothing on the inside, so we'll frame out a wall on the inside and insulate that. And we got all the flooring pulled out, and then everything will be new electric. But anyway, so we got a lot done today. And if you look, you'll see that there's a whole lot of stuff that's been tore out. And that is going to be a wrap for this weekend.